Oh, what's up? Busy day. I got this 2019 F-150 here. It's got 28,000 miles on it. It's got a clunking noise whenever you're turning, and it's coming from the rear. The customer stated it is he hears like a rattling behind the cab, and there is a rattling behind the cab, and I'll show you what it is. It's actually pretty common on these things, on these F-150s. So let's take a look at it. All right, so here I am underneath the truck. Leaf spring, shock. Leaf spring, shock. This is the saddle. So the noise is actually coming from see that? It's been moving back and forth on the turn. There's no damage to this pad. You can see, put new springs in it. So on this driver's side, you have to drop the fuel tank down because these bolts are really long. Pull this bolt out. Pull this bolt out, and then you're going to pull it with a shackle. Take these U-bolts out, and then you'll be able to pull the whole thing out. Transfer the shackle over to the new one, put it in reverse. Leave these two loose. Lower the truck down. This is all I got left to do to it. Lower the truck down, then tighten these up because it has to be able to move. So it's right here would be where it's moving. This is the new spring though. This is the pad, but it's moving back and forth, and that's the clunking noise that you're hearing when you're driving, and literally right behind the cab. So appreciate it. Love you guys. See you on the next one.